Welcome to Horizon Site Pro. Today we're going to cover the dashboard in the software. So here we are on the dashboard. At the side corner here is an add or remove button. So this controls all the widgets that are on your dashboard. You can remove them all except for just a couple that remain here. Now we will add these back in and we'll go through how each one works. So the top one is to-dos. So you can create a general to-do list. So this is not tied to a project. This is just a general, maybe you want to run an errand and it's like your little sticky note. You can create a to-do list and have it right here in the software. You can edit, you can delete, view them, and you can mark them as checked, off, and done when you complete them. Next section is the project summary. This pulls data from every project you have and compiles it all together so you have running totals, just to give you a snapshot overview of what your company is doing right now financially. Next one down is your calendar, and so this pulls information from every project as well and gives you an overview of what your company is doing, all the jobs that have on the go, what your days are going to look like across everything. Next is your timesheet, and we'll do a deeper video with this. This just allows you to track employee hours and you can create reports out of that. A very handy tool. Next is notifications. And so if you get an internal message or there's a change order notification, anything, any type of notification with the system, they'll pop up here. As well, you have this bell icon in the top corner and notifications will show here as well. Now the messaging system is this envelope. Click on that and this can send a message to anybody internally in the system. So that's internal users, client users, subs, trades, vendors, anybody can get a message if you want to track everything within the system. Next is the project map. And so once you have projects set up properly, there'll be pins for locations dropped, and then this overview map will track everything and you can get a snapshot of every project you have on the go, all the locations. And the last section is a small overview of every job you have. Gives you your dates, your working days, and gives you a little bit of financial information for that particular project. You can also open the project from here as well as from the sidebar. That's it for your dashboard. Thanks again for Horizon Site Pro.